Here's the truth, a hard pill to swallow for some, but essential for anyone serious about succeeding on YouTube. The vast majority of YouTube growth advice you'll stumble upon, the kind that's been circulating for years, is, to put it bluntly, outdated. It's like trying to navigate with an old map in a world that's constantly changing, and the strategies that worked even a year or two ago simply won't cut it in 2025. The digital landscape evolves at lightning speed, and what was once considered best practice is now a recipe for stagnation. The platform itself, YouTube, and its underlying algorithm have undergone significant evolution. It's not the same beast it used to be, and crucially, viewers' expectations have shifted dramatically. They're more discerning, more demanding, and have access to an endless stream of content. Relying on old, tired tactics like upload consistently, without any strategic thought behind it, or blindly throwing in the right tags hoping for a miracle, is like racing a horse and buggy, a charming relic of the past, against sleek, high-performance sports cars. You're simply not equipped to compete. Many channels diligently followed the old playbook, posting regularly, sometimes daily, obsessing over keyword research and meticulously crafting descriptions. Yet, despite all their efforts, they saw little to no growth. Their subscriber count remained stagnant, their views flatlined, and their channel felt like a ghost town. Why? What went wrong? Because YouTube now overwhelmingly rewards smart, strategic consistency, a calculated approach that understands the nuances of the platform, not just blind, relentless effort. Hard work alone isn't enough anymore. It's not about just showing up and going through the motions, it's about showing up with high-quality, engaging content that resonates with viewers, for the right, specifically targeted audience who are actively searching for what you offer, at the right time, when they're most receptive and likely to engage. The old post and pray method, where you throw content at the wall and hope something sticks, is officially dead and buried. Success on YouTube now demands being a strategist first, meticulously planning your content and understanding the platform's dynamics, and a creator second, bringing that strategy to life with compelling videos. You need to deeply understand the platform's algorithm, your target audience's preferences, and the competitive landscape before you even think about hitting that record button. This fundamental shift puts you firmly in control of your channel's destiny. No more relying on guesswork, hoping for a lucky break, or feeling lost in the dark. Just a proven system, a repeatable process, a methodology that actually delivers results. So forget everything you thought you knew. Forget the old rules and outdated advice. Let's dive deep into the cutting-edge strategy, the data-driven insights that's driving real, sustainable growth for channels in 2025 and beyond. You pour your heart and soul into creating videos, spending countless hours editing, crafting the perfect thumbnail, and writing engaging descriptions. You finally hit publish, filled with anticipation, and nothing. Views stall, those subscriber numbers barely budge, and your channel's growth seems to have hit a brick wall. The analytics dashboard becomes a source of constant disappointment. It's not a lack of passion, creativity, or effort. It's often a flawed process that's holding you back from reaching your full potential on YouTube. All too often, most creators fall into the trap of simply guessing what people want to watch, hoping their intuition will guide them to viral success. Instead of relying on guesswork, successful YouTubers dedicate time to researching what viewers are actually searching for, identifying trending topics, and understanding audience interests. This disconnect between content creation and audience demand leads to a frustrating cycle. Low views, a sense of stagnation, growing frustration, and ultimately, creator burnout. It's a vicious loop that can be difficult to escape. You see other creators in your niche succeed, their channels exploding with growth, and you can't help but wonder, why not me? What are they doing differently? The difference isn't just luck, superior video quality, or some secret algorithm hack. It's a well-defined strategy that guides their content creation process. Successful creators don't just randomly film videos, they meticulously plan their content calendar weeks, even months, in advance, targeting proven demand by focusing on topics that resonate with their audience and align with current trends. If you're feeling stuck in a rut, with your channel's growth stagnant, it's definitely not a sign to give up and quit your YouTube journey. It's a clear sign that it's time to reevaluate your current approach and make some necessary changes to your content strategy. Align your content creation methods with how the YouTube algorithm works now, understanding its preferences and optimizing your videos accordingly. Use your frustration and disappointment as fuel to propel you forward, motivating you to find a smarter, more effective way to connect with your audience and grow your channel. There's a proven process out there that respects your hard work, leverages your creativity, and delivers tangible results in terms of views, subscribers, and overall channel growth. Let's embark on a journey to discover it together, unlocking your channel's full potential. The secret isn't a viral hack, it's a repeatable system. Audience-Centric Content Cycling. This means focusing on what your audience wants, not just what you want to make. It's a continuous loop. Research, create, amplify, and learn. Enter the conversation already happening in your viewers' minds. Become a problem solver and entertainer for a specific group. Every decision, from topic to editing, should serve your target viewer. The process: find a proven topic, create a superior video, then amplify it. Think of it like opening a restaurant. Research demand, make the best dish, and promote it. This system transforms your channel from a hobby into a growth engine. Step 1. Find a proven topic with built-in demand. This is absolutely crucial. Instead of hoping your video resonates, you're starting with the assurance that people are actively looking for content like yours. It's about smart work, not just hard work. Don't reinvent the wheel. Why start from scratch when you can build upon existing success? Instead, look for what's already working in your niche. Analyze the landscape, identify the trends, and understand what captivates your target audience. This is your market research phase. Use YouTube's search bar and autocomplete to see what people are searching for. Pay close attention to the suggestions that pop up as you type. These are real-time indicators of popular queries. Study top-performing videos on similar channels. Dissect their content, analyze their engagement metrics, and understand why they're resonating with viewers. What topics are driving their views? Identify the common threads, the recurring themes, and the subjects that consistently attract a large audience. Look for content gaps, areas where the existing content isn't fully addressing the audience's needs. Specifically, popular topics with outdated or low-quality videos. These represent prime opportunities for you to step in and provide a fresh, improved perspective. For example, if Best Budget Microphones 2025 inches only has old videos, that's your chance to create the definitive guide. Focus on topics where demand isn't fully met. This is where you can truly shine by providing unique value and filling a void in the market. This approach removes guesswork and risk. You're not relying on luck. You're making informed decisions based on data and market trends. Creativity comes in how you execute, in the unique spin you put on the topic, and in the engaging way you present the information. It's not in picking random topics. Don't leave your success to chance. Be strategic and deliberate in your content selection. Before you script or film, be sure there's an audience searching for your idea. Validate your concept by confirming that there's genuine interest and demand for the topic you've chosen. That's the foundation for predictable growth. By starting with a proven topic, you're setting yourself up for success from the very beginning. Once you have a proven topic, your job is to make the best video on it. Superior doesn't mean expensive gear, it means a better viewer experience. Analyze the top videos. What do they do well? Where do they fall short? Improve on their weaknesses. Faster intros, clearer visuals, more value. Plan your video to be more engaging and useful than the competition. Use better hooks, visuals, and structure. High click-through rates and audience retention are your goals. When viewers prefer your video, YouTube promotes it more. Outperform the competition and the algorithm will reward you. Publishing isn't the finish line, it's the launch. Amplification gives your video the initial push it needs. Don't spam links. Engage meaningfully in communities around your topic. Leave thoughtful comments on top videos. Share insights and ask questions. Use your own platforms, email, social blog, to share your video with context. Create short clips for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, or TikTok to drive traffic. Early engagement signals tell YouTube your video is worth promoting. The goal: generate momentum so the algorithm picks up your content. Smart amplification primes your video for organic growth. I spent years guessing and hoping, following outdated advice, and got nowhere. My biggest regret? Not learning this audience-centric strategy sooner. When I shifted to what my audience wanted, everything changed. Growth became predictable. Subscribe if you want more, and check in the description area for any help, free or paid. You don't have to waste years like I did. Start now with the right strategy and skip the struggle. The knowledge that took me years is in your hands today. Don't just feel inspired, take action. Your journey starts with researching your next video, not waiting for luck. Begin the audience-centric content cycle now. Stay adaptable, keep learning, and be patient. The playbook is here. Now go run the plays.